Okay, so today we're gonna discuss about the Rutherford atomic model. First, he took the lead box. He took the lead box in which he put one radioactive element. Okay, he put radioactive element that was polonium. Let me elaborate it right now. So he put the radioactive material that was polonium, right? A radioactive element. After that, when he passed the alpha particles from this polonium, we passed the alpha particle from this polonium ray, and here we were having what? Zinc sulfide plate. Inside zinc sulfide we were having the gold foil. Fine, let me write here. This we were having zinc sulfide, and here we were having gold foil. This was positive to alpha rays he passed from here. No, he passed the polonium radioactive rays from here, and that directly hit to the gold foil. After hitting the gold foil, these radioactive element rays deflect. Fine. These rays deflect in many directions. Now here Rutherford did the experiment on the gold foil. He produced the alpha particles. After that, here I am writing the 3D what actually he did. He produced alpha particles from radioactive element. Fine, these are basically what alpha particle. In alpha particles we have double positive charge. Alpha particles. Fine. After that, when he produced the alpha particle from radioactive element, and so then alpha particles pass the gold foil. So when these alpha particles hit the gold foil, then these directly pass the gold foil. Fine. These pass the gold foil. So here the thickness of gold foil is basically, let me write here, thickness is 0.00004 centimeter or 10⁻⁻⁴ meter. Fine, this was the thickness of gold foil. So when these rays pass through the gold foil and strike with zinc sulfide, these rays pass and then strike with zinc sulfide. Fine. Then when strike with zinc sulfide and produce light. When striking with zinc sulfide, here the light was produced. Fine. Produce the light. After that, what he observed, let me tell you what he actually observed from that observations. Fine. He said that most of the alpha particles goes straight in direction. Mostly alpha particles move straight in direction. Like here, this is the diagram which is given in other books, but in our book the diagram is given like that. Now right here, this is the zinc sulfide plate. Fine. Here we are having the gold foil. These are basically what? Gold foil. Fine. And here he passed the positive 2 alpha particles. He passed total 20,000 alpha particles. Okay, when he passed alpha particles, these alpha particles move straight in the direction. Fine, these move straight in the direction. So he observed that most of the alpha particles goes straight. Fine, goes straight means तकरीबन जो अल्फा पार्टिकल थे वो स्ट्रेट ही डिफ्लेक्ट हो गए. सो स्ट्रेट घूम गए विदाउट एनी डिफ्लेक्शन मीन्स कोई भी डिफ्लेक्शन नहीं हुई, ये स्ट्रेट ही मूव हो गए. एनी डिफ्लेक्शन. Fine. After that, another point he said that some alpha particles are deflected at some angles. Like when the alpha particles was passed near to the nucleus, so those alpha particles deflect. So he said some alpha particles are deflected at some angle. After that, the third point he said some alpha particles rebounds back. Like when the alpha particles was passing through the nucleus, when it hit the nucleus, it bounced back, means come back at same position. So here also he said that some alpha particles rebounds after bouncing, alpha particle rebounds back. Fine. This was the observation which he told after looking at this diagram. This is the zinc sulfide. Hopefully till that is clear to you guys. Now we gonna see result, what he actually got from this experiment. Fine. So in the result he said that most of the alpha particles goes straight, shows that some part of an atom is empty. Like here I said that most of the alpha particle goes straight. So after looking at that, most of alpha particles move straight. So when they move straight, it shows that some part of an atom is empty. Part of atom is empty. Empty means khali. Fine. After looking at this observation, he gave this result. Then another, he said that deflection of some alpha particle represent that we can say that After second, he said some alpha particles are deflected at some angle, right? So when he saw this observation, he gave result that some alpha particles deflected, and then they show that the central part have positive charge. Fine. When they deflect from here, because as they were negative particles, so when these deflect, so after deflection it's so that they have the positive charge in the nucleus, positive charge is present. Fine. After that, he says another point. After looking at this third observation, some alpha particles rebounds back. Okay, so at this point he said the bounce back of some alpha particles shows that nucleus of an atom is dense, right? Some we can say rebounds back of some alpha particles shows that rebounds of alpha particles shows that nucleus of an atom is dense. Fine. Hopefully till that it's clear to you guys. So till that is clear to you, next we're gonna discuss the second part of the Rutherford atomic model in the next video. So bye bye.